Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling NFC in settings and granting the app permission. This lets the phone detect tags. Once done, open your chosen NFC app and select Read or Write mode so the phone knows what to expect. Make sure the tag is clean and accessible, then place it close to the phone's NFC area for 1 to 2 seconds. You'll feel or see a brief response. This confirms detection. If detection fails, move slowly until you get the feedback. Then proceed to inspect the content. You now perform the main actions, reading or writing. If reading, tap the tag and review the payload, URL, text, or vCard, and confirm encoding. If writing, enter the exact data, choose any lock or protection flags, then press Write and tap the tag firmly. Wait for confirmation. Make sure to verify fields that apps require, like MIME type or record order, because misordered records won't parse. Once you see success, test the tag with another app or device to ensure the stored data behaves as expected. Finish by testing the tag on different devices to confirm consistent behavior. Make sure links open and contact cards import correctly. If you need permanence, lock the tag, but remember locking is permanent, so do this only when content is final. Save backups of written payloads and document tag type for future edits. If something goes wrong, first recheck tag type and physical distance to the NFC antenna, then verify app settings. Weak battery or incompatible tag off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.